guys, it's Chantel with Wild Berry Quilting, and today we're going to review this magnetic pickup tool that we got in our sewsampler box. So first, let's take a look at it. I guess this was done by a teen inventor. His name is Owen Cohen. And it's supposed to be where you can use it to pick up your pins and such. And then I guess you go like this and it releases the pins. So let's test this out and see if it works. All right, so to test this out, I actually have a few different things to try. I've got 3 different types of pins and some metal buttons and also a bodkin. So let me change the angle. All right, guys, so we're going to test this out on a few different items and see how strong the magnet is and just make sure that it works on everything and what exactly it can help us pick up from our floor. Well, it works really well on I don't even remember what these types of pins are called, but they were ones that you're supposed to be able to iron over. It is not, so it's having a little bit of trouble with these tulip pink pins. They just kind of want to come off easily, and you'd have to be careful with those. It works really well with the Dritz pins as well. So mainly just those tulip pink ones don't really want to hold on very well. And, oh, I guess I should try that out. Oh, yep. That works quite well. There they go. Let's try the buttons. Well, I guess these buttons must be like brass or something because they're not picking up, because they're not magnetic. My bodkin came up really easily though, and it drops very easily. That has a good amount of pickup. So I'd say that really probably the reason that I would say this probably works really well, and the reason why it's not working with these tulip pink ones is they probably have a very high aluminum content. And it's not working with the buttons because they're probably brass. But everything that it should work on, it works very well and sticks nice and strong. And of course, the little release mechanism works excellently. Excellently? Is that correct? I don't know. It works excellent. And I just love how simple this is. I was kind of wondering how that was going to work because I was thinking, okay, well, is it a button? Like what's going to release it? But that's just a brilliant design. And kudos to Mr. Owen Cohen. You did a great job designing this. Thank you for thinking of us sewers and anybody else who might need a magnetic pickup tool. All right, so that was our magnetic pickup tool, which was called Magnetic Pickup Tool with Easy Release. And I would say it is a good buy. It works well. If you're in the market for something like this, go for it. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again next time. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.